Are you hungry?
I wasn't hungry. Now I'm hungry.
Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. Don't be baby.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First Beef Feast, I'm Sean Evans, coming at you from the famous kitchen of Maangchi, where I'm joined by Maangchi. She's the face behind the tremendously popular YouTube channel where week over week, she schools her audience in some of Korea's finest culinary exports, and that's why we're here today, to learn how to make perfectly crisp, perfectly crunchy Korean fried chicken. That's right, Maangchi has opened up her home to us to get the double fried guide on how to make one of the greatest chicken dishes in the entire world. But first things first, what is the biggest difference between Korean fried chicken and then something I might pick up in a box over here on 48th Street?
First thing first, I gotta say one word. Thank you so much, Sean. Because of your good compliment, just, oh my, I'm so happy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming to my house.
Thank you for having me.
Amazing.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. Anyway, I don't know much about the other types of chicken. Only I know a lot about Korean fried chicken. It's the fried, double fry, you mentioned this.
Double fry.
And then so crunchy. And sometimes the seasoning, the mix with the seasoning sauce. The seasoning sauce is all the, depending on the restaurant, by cooks by cook. So like usually spicy, sometimes sweet, and sometimes sweet, sour, spicy.
Where do you fall on it? Do you like it spicy? Do you like it sweet? Do you like it in the middle?
I like it spicy.
Birds of a feather. Birds of a feather, Maangchi. It's a very special day. I'm humbled, I'm blessed to be here. What are the ingredients? What are we working with today?
2 pounds of chicken.
2 pounds of chicken.
Washed and patted dry with my paper towel. So clean, waiting for you. We're gonna add salt. So this is a quarter teaspoon. Okay, put some.
Quarter teaspoon?
Yeah, just
a
okay.
little.
Yeah. Be brave. Okay, more.
Got it.
One more.
Kobe.
Great. Quarter teaspoon. Okay.
Hit it with some pepper.
Yeah, quarter teaspoon ground, freshly ground black pepper.
I'm eyeballing this.
Yeah, and then this is the baking soda. Quarter teaspoon. And then this flour.
Little
Ask
flour.
me what kind of flour is that?
What kind of flour is this?
All-purpose flour. Wheat.
All purpose.
Wheat flour, yeah.
Casting
Okay,
a
I can
wide net
open.
with this one.
Yeah, this is 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup flour. And this is make it crunchy. So this is starch, potato starch or corn starch. So can you add?
I got it.
Okay.
And this is the crispy
Oh, yeah.
secret ingredient.
And then let's crack 1 egg. Here you go.
There we go.
Shall I mix or you wanna mix?
I'll mix it up.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
mix this up.
Okay, mix it. So
You know,
that
when you have steel workers' hands like this, you don't want to waste them.
Anyway, I can help you too.
I love it. I love
Okay,
it.
like this.
You and me making chicken.
Let's open chicken place. We can be a
I'm in.
millionaire, yeah?
I'm in. All right, so we'll know when the oil's ready once it hits 350, right? We have our wings coated. And before we move on, can you speak a little bit about fried chicken's place in Korean culture? Because I know that in South Korea alone, there's over 50,000
Yeah.
fried chicken restaurants. The
Yeah.
chicken and beer thing seems to be such a big deal. Can you explain that to me?
Yeah, actually the Korean fried chicken, it was popular since the 1980s so far. And before that, we have a different kinds of chicken, usually, roasted chicken by electricity. But this Korean fried chicken was around that time, like Korea has economically some problem. And a lot of people lost the job. So they need to survive. So they just opened the restaurant. So chicken was suddenly just going up. So I love the Korean fried chicken.
I'm so excited.
So not everybody has a thermometer at
That's
home.
true. It's true.
So
We gotta
what
think about
usually, if we don't have thermometer, you can do this. I usually put this dip, like a tip of this chicken, and can you see the
bubbling.
bubbles? Yeah,
We're
bubble,
bubbling.
really small bubbles coming up. That's perfect. It's 350. Now it start cooking.
Bam.
So
Chicken going
yeah,
in.
you wanna do?
I got you.
Okay. Oh, slowly. This is 2 pounds of chicken. This oil is around 7-8 cups of oil, around 2.5 inch depth. So just we can do this only one batch.
All right, so we've dropped our 2 pounds of chicken. How long do we keep it here? We have a timer.
Yeah, I will just around, usually 12 minutes I cook like this. It's almost one lump now.
Yeah, right.
We need to split this. Wow, isn't it looking good? Yeah.
It is looking good.
Yeah.
It's smelling good.
No, are you hungry?
I wasn't hungry. Now I'm hungry.
Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. Don't be baby. So I'm going to turn down the heat just a little bit because I don't want to burn.
How'd you get into the YouTube cooking game? Do you remember like your first video? Do you remember how you started?
Of course. And my first video was spicy stir-fried squid. Next day, a lot of people subscribe. And then they asked me, Maangchi, 된장찌개, please. Kimchi, please. More and more requests came. Okay, I followed their request. Now, almost 11 years so far.
It's amazing. It's amazing. So you kind of just blew up right away.
Yeah, exactly. Before that, I was almost addicted to online game.
Online games?
Yeah.
Is that how you got your name?
Yeah,
Is that how you got
Maangchi.
yeah.
Maangchi the hammer in Korean, right?
Yeah.
So because I have a Maangchi character, and also another is a Sangkal, double sword, and also another one is a Dumo, gangster boss. So I played with online game all over the world.
So that's the bell, which means our fry number 1 is just about done.
Yeah.
I'll dig the tongs in here,
Awesome.
pass it over to the strainer.
Yeah. Isn't it delicious looking, light golden brown?
It looks ready to go.
Yeah.
But you don't want to eat it.
Yeah.
You want to fry it again.
Yeah.
And why do you want to fry it again?
It might be cooked now, but soggy. So what I want is the real crunchy outside, inside is still juicy.
We gotta hear
Okay.
it. We gotta hear it.
10 minutes I have to cook again, fry. So meanwhile, we make this. Sauce is easy, piece of cake.
No problem. All right, so we have our second fry in. We have our alarm set for 10. Maybe it needs 11. Maybe it needs 12.
Yeah.
We'll decide down the road. But now it's time to make some sauce.
Yeah.
What are the ingredients for the sauce here?
Of course we need garlic. Let's mince 3 garlic cloves.
Have you ever worked with such a good chicken watcher in all your life?
No, you are the first and best. One more ingredient, gochujang.
Wow.
Korean hot pepper paste.
What's special about the gochujang? Why is it important for this dish?
Gochujang is to make it a little spicy and make it color red. And also, gochujang has a kind of deep, earthy flavor, so the flavor makes it really nice. I need a 1/4 cup. Yeah, okay. And then, this is ketchup.
Ketchup.
We use a tomato ketchup, yeah? It's because its color is red and little sweet sour taste. 1/3 cup ketchup. Syrup is the same amount, 1/3 cup. And vinegar, around 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoon oil. So vegetable oil I use, or you can use corn oil or canola oil. 10 minutes passed, but I think we stopped cooking because it's really nice golden brown.
It looks good, it looks good. We're done at 10.
Yeah. And tap. Yeah, it sound, eh?
Structurally sound.
Okay, garlic is coming.
Garlic's coming.
Sean is stirring.
I'm stirring.
Okay.
This thing's going. You can't stop me once I
Yeah.
start.
Okay. Just so a little crunchy, you see?
Sizzling.
Okay.
Sizzling.
Time to this.
Bam. It's all happening.
Okay, I will turn down the heat to make it sizzle. So I don't want to burn. Yeah. Okay. Shiny, sweet, spicy, and kind of a Korean gochujang flavored sauce. Hot chicken and sizzling sauce. Yay! Let's go. You want? This one.
I like when we work
Very
together.
easy. Yeah.
It is perfectly
Amazing.
coated.
Even though without the tasting, I know what it tastes like. Very crunchy. Crunchy outside, inside is so juicy. Okay, done. And then sesame seeds. I saw that you really sprinkle well. Wow, where did you learn? This is not in my recipe, but this is a kind of a secret. So, chili flakes. You see, if you don't like somebody and you like to torture him,
Right.
and then you can say that, oh, this is Korean spicy chicken, and you make just 2 tablespoons.
2 scoops.
And then he's going to eat, wow, and then you're laughing. Secretly.
Double fried,
Okay.
double scooped.
I can't wait to see you taste this. This is for you, Sean. Yeah.
I can't wait to eat.
Mm.
I'm hungry.
I didn't eat yet. Oh my God, spicy.
It is?
Yeah.
Let's clear out the counter. Let's serve up a plate.
Sure.
Let's have some lunch.
Let's eat together.
Let's
Yeah,
eat together.
yeah.
At long last, the tutorial has ended. Now nothing to do but have some lunch. Cheers, Maangchi.
Oh, cheers.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming. You like it?
It was so good. Cooked perfectly. I hear my crunch. It is spicy, but that's how we like it over here at First Beef Feast. I have eaten many a fried chicken drum in my life, but Maangchi, this one is one of the best. And that's why you have to go over to Maangchi's YouTube page. You gotta smash that subscribe button so that you too can learn how to make delicious meals just like this. Thank you again. Till next time, Internet. For First Beef Feast, I'm Sean Evans.
Thank you so much for coming and enjoy my chicken. Good.
All right, so I kind of
Yeah,
take
yeah.
it, and then I kind of cover.
Okay, awesome. Oh my God, so polite. Everybody will love you. All
They would?
Koreans will love you because you're so polite.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.